So here we are in one bedroom apartment which can be made 2 bedrooms. Here is a kitchen. Afterwards, behind the kitchen there is kind of like living room area, but over there can be a wall even with the door, so it would be second bedroom. So that is kitchen. Afterwards we are going to the corridor. Corridor is over there, and there is a second bedroom. On the way to the second bedroom there is a bathroom. Bathroom is with the bath tube. Here is storing space. There is place for washing machine. And here is second bedroom. So you can see there are tables, beds, wardrobes. And now we're getting back to the kitchen, and there is entrance door. That's all.